A new look and new evidence as the criminal trial begins for a suspected serial killer in Davis. A lot to get to tonight on this Monday. Thanks for joining us for the CBS 13 News at 5. I'm Tony Lopez.
And I'm Marley Ginter. Today, prosecutors announced they would not seek the death penalty against the suspect, Carlos Dominguez, who's accused of killing two men and hurting a woman in a stabbing spree last year. CBS 13's Madison Keevy joining us live with the new revelations from the courtroom. Madison, what can you tell us?
Well, we're learning more about those first few hours after Carlos Dominguez was brought into custody. This is the same time as we reported on that day that he was found matching the suspect description with a large knife in a backpack, linking him to that stabbing spree. Today, though, what we saw was a very different version of the former UC Davis student. He was clean shaven. He had short hair. The reason we point out his appearance is because experts have long pointed to his long hair in his eyes and his kind of scruff on his face as one of the physical reminders that he may not be competent and may be dealing with some mental health concerns. Of course, doctors found that that was the case. He was sent to a hospital and was found competent now to stand trial. All of this over the next 4 days is to figure out if there's enough evidence to take this to that criminal trial. He sat quiet today and looked much more his age than we've seen him ever before. We also got more insight on the exact incidents of those two deadly stabbings, and that the first time we heard Carlos Dominguez speak wasn't in a courtroom, but was to a witness on the night that Kareem Abu Najim was stabbed multiple times.
He continued to the park where he saw two individuals, one hunched over another.
Prior to fleeing on a bicycle, the suspect told Dr. Massey something to the effect of, what's going on? Why are you bothering me? Leave me alone. And then he took off on the bike.
Again, those are words that were allegedly spoken by the suspect, believed to be Dominguez here by investigators. The witness that also tried to help save Kareem Abu Najim that night said that the suspect in that looked scared, looked timid, looked a little more of what we saw today in the courtroom. Of course, though, David Bro's family, the compassion guy in Davis, they were here alongside Kareem's family. And I spoke to his sister just a few minutes ago, and she says on this, his birthday, they are more focused on something else than what happened in the courtroom. And at 6 o'clock, I'll share some of that conversation.